Alright, we're going to go ahead and test out how to insert a cartridge into a brand new pin connector on the Nintendo. Okay, they're always a little tight. I'm going to go ahead and show you. Put it in as far as it'll go. Okay, you're going to have some resistance right there. Wiggle. After you're done wiggling, it's going to connect. Push it all the way in. Push it down. Give it a start. And you have the connection right there. Okay, let's go ahead and pull it out. Okay, have it just like that. Now let's go ahead, push on it, it'll eject up, wiggle it a little bit, pull out while you're wiggling it, and it'll release. And you're all set. There you go.